Come on to the belt.
Ooh.
What am I saying? Welcome back, guys. Tonight we're gonna be making lemon herb salmon cakes. We're gonna start off by boiling our parsnips in the water. We've already had it going for a couple minutes. It's close to a boil, and I've already preset my oven to 375, like the directions in the recipe says. By the way, my name is Sarah, as you all know. I'm the manager at Blank Fitness in Liverpool. I'm also a personal trainer, nationally certified, and recently became a certified nutrition coach. Yay. While our parsnips are boiling, we're going to put our roughly chopped onions, half of one, or half a cup of one, into the food processor. I'm using a blender. I would suggest using a food processor. I like my blender. And we're just going to pulse a couple times just to get a little bit more finer of a chop than the rough chop that we've done. Once you've boiled your parsnips for 5 minutes and they're soft to the touch with the fork, so you can easily just push right through it, we're gonna put them back in the same bowl that we put them in after we chopped them up. We're gonna mash them with a fork. All right, now that we have mashed our parsnips just with a fork, we're going to add this to the onions that we put in the food processor. If they're not completely mashed, that's fine. Whatever you haven't done, the food processor will finish for you. Now that we have formed our salmon cakes and we've put them in the oven, we're gonna set a timer for 25 minutes and then we'll come back to them and check. Okay, so now that the salmon cakes have been in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes, we're gonna take them out. I've temped them, they're up to temp. While they were cooking, I put my grill-ish thing on my stovetop, heat it up, and I oiled and seasoned some asparagus, and I put those down as the vegetable. Okay, so now that our salmon cakes are done and our asparagus is done, I plated with the asparagus on the bottom, and then I made 6 salmon cakes, so I put 2 on top of this, so I have 3 portions of it, and then I garnished with some chopped parsley and a lemon so that you can use that as you eat. Enjoy!